India marked a major milestone in its ambitious high-speed rail journey on Friday with the successful breakthrough of a mountain tunnel in Maharashtra's Palghar district. This development brings the country a step closer to launching its first bullet train service on 15 August 2027. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav virtually witnessed the completion of Mountain Tunnel 5 from Rail Bhavan in New Delhi, highlighting the strategic importance of the achievement. Mountain Tunnel 5 is a 1.5-kilometer long tunnel located between Virar and Boisar stations on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor. It is the first mountain tunnel to be completed on the 508-kilometer route, which is being developed using Japan's Shinkansen technology. The breakthrough is considered technically significant due to the complex geology of the Western Ghats region, where tunneling requires advanced engineering, precision planning, and strict safety measures. This achievement follows another major accomplishment in September 2025 when a 5-kilometer underground tunnel between Thane and the Bandra Kurla complex was completed. Together, these milestones demonstrate steady progress on one of India's most complex infrastructure projects, aimed at transforming intercity travel by drastically reducing travel time between Mumbai and Ahmedabad to around 2 hours. However, alongside the technical progress, concerns have emerged regarding the financial aspects of the project. The estimated cost of the bullet train project has nearly doubled compared to initial projections. Factors contributing to the cost escalation include land acquisition challenges, design modifications, inflation, currency fluctuations, and delays caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. These developments have raised questions about fiscal discipline, cost control, and long-term economic viability. Despite these concerns, the government maintains that the project will deliver long-term benefits such as technology transfer, job creation, enhanced regional connectivity, and a boost to India's infrastructure capabilities. As the target date of 15 August 2027 approaches, the successful completion of key engineering milestones like Mountain Tunnel 5 keeps the bullet train project firmly on track, while also intensifying the debate on balancing ambition with financial prudence. BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.